Alright, so I had this long run all the way down from this basement all the way up here. And I have 2 truck mounts. And I was deciding, should I use the 2 truck mounts and run forward to the door and see what I can do with that. Got this one right here, rotary. And I got the one in the van. But I went with the 2 mytee portables, the booster, and then the 2 LX vacuums, and some good old pre-spray and a regular wand. Man, it dried up as soon as I was done, and it's better than 2 truck mounts. That thing can really suck. Black Diamond Carpet Cleaning, St. George. Give us a call.